Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you a very quick update that NotebookLM had just released, which is what we have been waiting for. Because previously you can create slide deck directly, you can create presentations directly with NotebookLM, but you can always export it in PDF. Okay, so you have to use a third-party application, maybe in Canva, or you can go to convert PDF to PPT to be able to convert and export it in PowerPoint or in .PPTX. But today they have made another announcement that they've introduced a new feature, which means all their slides created from the slide deck can now be downloaded in .PPTX directly from the NotebookLM. So to do that, let me show you how you can do that directly. So let's say I have this slide that I've just created, the AI mediated university. You can see the slides over here. Okay, very detailed. You can even click to see everything, and you have the option to move slide by slide very easily. Unlike before, when you come to these three dots, when you click, you will be able to download only in the PDF. But now you can see we have the PPTX, which has been newly introduced into the feature or the AI tool. So let's say we go ahead and click on this, and then we can just directly be able to download in .PPTX. Okay, and you can see we've just downloaded it. So let me just click to see whether this is actually going to open in my PowerPoint. So let's right click. I want to use the Microsoft PowerPoint to open this. All right, and as you can see, you can enable editing, and right now we've just opened the slides in PowerPoint. So you can see the elements, actually everything is in PowerPoint. Okay, only that's the only thing I noticed is that the elements are not editable, which I think maybe in the subsequent features it might get improved so that you can be able to directly improve on it, because right now it's just in image form, which means you can only export it in PPT, but then image, you cannot have access to each and every one of the elements to be able to edit directly, except that you have it as an image inserted directly. So I hope this is very useful to you, because right now you can export presentations that you have made from NotebookLM directly in .PPTX. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.